Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace or remove and clean your brushes on your Shark Ion robots. So this will work on generally all the Shark Ion robots except for some of the older ones. But this is an 850, this is a 725, same principle. So with your spinner brushes, you just hold it down, pop it off, and click on a new one. Super simple. On these, this is the main brush. So it'll be attached on one side and the other side will have a free spinning bearing. You'll pop that off, clean it out, get all the junk out. So see right there, there's a bunch of hair. Then you'll cut all this off, pop the cap back on, insert it, and go to town. Now for these little guys, you will have to remove the wheels and they don't sell replacements for them. So you will have to buy used parts to get those, but I do have some of these in stock. They're not listed, but if you message me, I can get them to you. So just let me know. Same thing with this main brush cover. So that's how to remove and replace the brushes on the 850s, 725s, 750s, and so on. The newer brushes will look a little different, and so will the older, but generally the same concept. So if you need any parts for these guys, make sure to head over to my eBay store. I will link it down below. And also, as always, any questions, comment them below, and I will try to make a video about them.